Hello here. So welcome to another video. Today while I was browsing my favorite website to find jobs, I found this. So it turns out Alibaba are hiring freelance writers. So I decided I will to share it with you guys and then see how you can apply this job. And of course I'll be applying with you in this video. So if you want to see how to go about it, then click that subscribe button, give this video a like, and of course I'll see you on the other side.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
So if you don't know what ProBlogger is, so ProBlogger is something like Upwork.com is a place where you get jobs. So just go to ProBlogger.com /jobs, and then you can I think here you can find a lot of different jobs. As you can see, there are over 14,000 candidates. There are 139 active jobs, and then 7,000 successful job posts here. So I guess this means that these are guys who have been hired, or jobs or job posting that have hired someone. Now when you're looking for a job here, what I always do, or considering I'm in Kenya, I always look for freelance jobs. This means these are the jobs that you can do anywhere. Then you click filter, and of course if you are looking for specific, say if you like just finance, say if I'm looking for finance jobs, you can just type here finance and then filter that, and then you'll just get finance here. As you can see, there's this job of guys looking for freelance, and actually they are hiring from anywhere. Alternatively, you can also filter by location. What got my eye is this one. So Alibaba, if you don't know Alibaba, so Alibaba is like the second king after Amazon.com. So they have a blog, that's ProBlogger.com, and they are hiring writers. So I thought I should share with you guys what you can do if you are interested in this job, because I saw they are paying quite well. They are saying salary here is that this is almost how much? This is almost 30,000 Kenya shillings. Yeah, this is 37,000 per month. Well, I don't understand if this salary or per project, but I saw somewhere in the application that they are asking you how much you charge article. Before you apply, you need to understand you need to get the background, the company or the client. That's why they provide the description here. So launched in 1999, Alibaba.com is a leading global B2B e-commerce platform. So B2B means instead of selling directly to customers, they are selling to businesses. Yeah, so you can say Jumia is B2C, that's business to customers, or business to consumers, which means Jumia sells directly to customers, which is us, but Alibaba sells directly to businesses, so it's a business selling to other businesses. So actually it's well known for suppliers. So as so maybe we can open the website so that we can know we can look at it, and then talk and be looking at it. So this is Alibaba. If you've heard of these guys who are importing stuff from anywhere, from China, there is high chance that they're importing it from these guys. They get it from Alibaba.com. Stuff are cheap here, so you can drop ship. Where is it? Show me the pictures, please. Thank you. Now you can see for between 1 to 400 for 500 pieces you pay $1, almost on 20 Kenya shillings. But the more you order, the less you pay. So this is now the drop shipping. So you can order these products in bulk, then they will ship it to you. as you can see here, 1 to 4.99 pieces, you pay that amount. So this is the description of the company. Yeah, so here they are trying to give you a background of why they are hiring. So to facilitate our buyers product sourcing process and help them run their business, we launched Alibaba.com Reads, a buyer-oriented content platform for Alibaba.com. So our articles aim to consolidate information and insightful articles on international trade events, cross-border procurement tips, industry trends, sourcing recommendations, sales and marketing tips, etc. for their readers. Yeah, so it's a long-term project actually, and we keep publishing new articles daily. We have a team of 30 plus freelance writers. If you are passionate about writing and feel confident writing blogs, we warmly welcome you to join our growing project and be a part of our journey. Now, so about the role actually, so the freelance expert blog writer is responsible for proposing topics / writing articles. So your job will be you propose the topics and of course maybe write it sometimes. Now here is the details of who they are looking for. Have at least 5 years blog writing experience in this industry, so either consumer electronics, home and garden industry, e-commerce, sales and marketing. Now have an experience in B2B content writing, have SEO writing experience, bachelor's degree or above, proficient in American English, and then now they are providing you a concept of, or an idea of who they are targeting. So they target small and medium-sized enterprises, and then now these are the benefits of what you get if you are accepted into their team. So considered workload, regular pay, and then now the salary of this amount to this $300 man. That's almost 380,000 shillings. I don't know what you have to do to get that, but who wouldn't want that? Now this is how to apply. So if you're interested, please apply through our application form link. So this is the application form. So I'm going to click open now the application form. I have it already opened here. Alternatively, you can log in and then apply for this job inside ProBlogger. Yeah, so you can do that inside here. But let's look at the application form. So they are asking you more about you. Yeah, so as you can see here, they're saying before we can start with the trial writing, so actually they will have a trial writing for you, and I think it's paid. So far as they like to see if you're a good fit for their team, and of course most importantly if Alibaba.com is a good fit for you. So I don't trust this, but I guess they're just telling you to make you not feel bad if you are rejected or something. Now so they ask for your name, your nationality, your country, email, source. This is where you got this. So here you choose ProBlogger, obviously. Your writing experience, so don't give them none. So for me it's more than 5 years. And then now the niche. So here is our blog center. So that is their website actually. So let's look at how it let's see how it looks like. Alibaba.com Reads. So these are the articles. Looks like they haven't updated anything here, so you can see here 2022. It should be 2023, yeah, or something, I don't know, unless they are targeting that keyword. Yeah, looks pretty simple. Let's look at one of the articles, how to choose the right packaging for your product in 2023. Okay, 5 things to consider. So these are real simple stuff that you can write. Yeah, I bet you can do this. Yeah. So the niche, here is our project background. So we currently recruit writers to provide topics or writing articles related to different categories. Please briefly browse the articles in the blog center and let us know your niche, the industry or category you are most good at. Yeah. So there is the consumer electronics, home and garden, e-commerce, sales and marketing, logistics, finance and management. So you just pick the one that you are most conversant. So for me, I would pick e-commerce and sales and marketing. Yeah, and maybe finance and management, but not so much. But these two, I can ace that. Now, please provide published articles links that are related to the industry according to the post in the previous question. So if you picked consumer electronics, now they want samples of your work. So this is why I always tell you need to write samples. You need the right examples of your work if you want to make money writing online in Kenya. So you need samples of your work. So you need to provide at least 5 here. Now, topics you would like to propose. So actually they are asking you to propose some topics here, and they have a list of topics that you can use them. You can use it for inspiration. So they have under the e-commerce, sales and marketing, home and garden, and then consumer electronics. So you can go through this list before you suggest the topics. Now the catch is what you suggest here shouldn't be included here. Yeah, so it shouldn't be here. So it shouldn't have, it shouldn't be included here. So make sure you're suggesting something unique. Now they are saying it's not mandatory in the application, but of course they will prioritize to contact those who are able to propose valuable topics. So as you are proposing topics, pay attention to this SEO oriented. SEO oriented means these are topics that are driven by keywords. So a keyword is what people search for on Google. So if you go to Google and search for best fonts in Kenya, the exact word best fonts in Kenya is the keyword. Now you need to create topics based on that, on those keywords. And of course you get your inspiration from these 3 categories. So are you good at SEO writing? Please be honest. Then of course they're asking you to upload your resume. Then now the rates. Yeah, the rates is how much you charge per topic, only to provide topics, and on so how much do you charge to provide topics? And then article writings, your rate for 1,000 word article. So how much will you charge for that? Now in the near future we might need more writers in the following categories. Please select your niche if you are good at the content production. So besides the ones that you've already picked above, you can choose others here. So for me, I think I'll do this. Funny, fashion, accessories, sports, machinery, vehicle parts. Okay, you can do that. Renewable energy. Okay, let me go with this. Yeah, so I'll pick those 3. So is there any other information you would like to share with us? If you have your own website, please include also share the URL. Now, so those are the requirements and how to apply. Now I want to fill it out, because of course I'll be applying too and see how it goes. So of course now let me go about applying.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me.
So I had already, created a list of some topics that I would suggest for them. So here's the list. I'll just copy it and then paste it here. List 5 articles. No, this is they're actually published. And I already have that also. So let me just copy that and then paste it here, just like that. Now topics you would like to propose. So I guess these ones. So I already have some topics that I would propose to them. Yes, of course, big yes. Now I need to upload my resume. Where is it? So how much should I charge for that? So if I want to say charge how much? Yeah, say 1 shilling per topic. I don't know if that's viable. Say 2 bob. Okay, so that would in that topic. Now your rate for 1000 words. So if I'm to charge say 10 shillings per word, that would bring like what, $80, right? Because it's this times 1000, it's $80. So let me put 90 and then see. Then of course I've selected this earlier on, and then of course my blog. Yeah, and of course now check everything is okay, and then click submit. Perfect. So I have applied. So guys, if you want to know what happened next, of course click that subscribe button. Then of course I'll upload a video once I get a response. And if of course also if I don't get a response, it's part of the game. You don't always win. Yeah, you don't always win. That's part of being a freelance writer. So thank you guys for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.